It was a great thing together. That's all I thought we was here to play. Who is it? I wonder who it is. Oh. That's two of us.
Hi, I'm Dora, and I'm Boots.
It was just a great thing together. It was always just a great thing together. That was just a great thing together for us. Honey? That's great.
Boots and I are reading a book about animals and what sounds they make.
Right. That was just a great thing. I've got it. Well, I've just got it to do it together. It was just a great thing together. That's great. I help.
What animal makes that sound?
I think it's un gallo. Right.
There. You want to go to?
It's okay.
You want to go to
I'm
bed?
fine. No.
Dead?
No, just a bit.
I guess I don't have
So
mine in my
it was a great thing together. What's this?
A rooster, a rooster!
A rooster.
That's right.
Shh, hush, hush. Be very quiet, so very quiet. Shh, hush, hush.
Listen up,
Put your ears down and now what do you hear?
Well, I don't hear a clunk, not a clunk, or a clunk, or a crash, boom, dunk. It's trying too quiet. In the land of hush, there's never any rush. We tiptoe when we walk and shh when we talk. In the land of hush, in the moment away from a sleepy time dream to a brand new day.
When you're quiet, so very quiet. You can calm what you're thinking in your head. And when you're quiet,
So very quiet.
you'll feel warm and fuzzy like a cozy comfy bed.
We feel warm and fuzzy like a cozy comfy bed. In the land of hush, with a moment away from a sleepy time dream to a brand new day. In the land of hush, sleep tight to the night. You're a blink and a wink from a morning light. What's this? Oh, that's great. It was just a great thing together. It was a great thing. But actually, with this thing.
Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Hey, Dora, what sound does the little frog make? That's a...
It was a great thing together. That's great.
Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo!
That was a great thing together. Indeed. It was a great thing together.
Hush, hush.
Be very quiet. So very quiet.
Hush, hush.
Listen up, put your ears down. Now what do you hear? Well, I don't hear a plunk, not a clunk, or a plunk, or a crash, boom, dunk. It's way too quiet. In the land of hush, there's never any rush. We turn to when we walk and shh when we talk. In the land of hush, in the moment away from a sleepy time dream to a brand new day. When you quiet, so very quiet.
You can go what you're thinking in your head. And when you're quiet,
So very quiet. You'll feel warm and fuzzy like a cozy comfy bed. With a warm and fuzzy like a cozy comfy bed. In the land of hush, in the moment away from a sleepy time dream to a brand new day. In the land of hush, you sleep tight through the night. You're a blink and a wink from a morning light. That was a great thing together. It was just a great thing together. I really got it. Yes, it was a great thing together. Got it.
Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Hush, hush. Be very quiet. So very quiet. Hush, hush. Listen up, put your ears. Let me know that you hear. Well, I don't hear a plug, not a plug, or a crash, boom, dunk. It's way too quiet. In the land of hush, there's not there any rush. We tiptoe when we walk and shh when we talk. In the land of hush, in the moment away from a sleepy time dream to a brand new day. When you're quiet, so very quiet. You can calm what you're thinking in your head. And when you're quiet, so very quiet, you'll feel warm and fuzzy like a cozy comfy bed. You'll feel warm and fuzzy like a cozy comfy bed. In the land of hush, with a moment away from a sleepy time dream to a brand new day. In the land of hush, you sleep tight through the night. You're a blink and a wink from a morning light.
Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Hey, Dora, what sound does the little frog make?
That was a great thing together. Right. It was a great thing together. That's easy. That was a great thing. It was a great thing. You might get... It was a great thing together, but it has to do it together.